Guys, welcome back to my next trade recap. So I'm gonna show you my trades from this Monday, from 8th of June. So let's get right into it. I had, let me see, let me see. So what I was trading was, first of all, NQ, New York session. As you can see here, we are starting the week off really strong. We are pushing to the upside during Asia session, during London session. During New York session, we are tapping into an hourly fair value gap, and then we're getting a reaction from there. And unfortunately, I was buying right here. So why was this a mistake? So first of all, we see that we already had a bullish movement during Asia session and during London session. Wait, let me change my microphone. Alright, guys, got it changed. So, we already have two sessions where price is pushing to the upside. So, meaning New York will have some sort of correction. Not all the time, but it's likely to happen. I was neglecting this fact, and what I was looking for is I don't know, some a buying position. Looking for longs. I was taking a long right here of a 15-minute gap bullish reaction after we tapped and fully filled this gap. We get a closure above, and I took this trade right here. I think I was targeting these highs. It was 1 to 3. Somewhat a 1 to 3 risk to reward trade. As you can see here, I got stopped out. Why? Obviously, because I'm trading into an hourly fair value gap where I don't even know whether price is going to go above or price is going to react from this point, right? Obviously, we had a first reaction from this hourly fair value gap. We had a closure below. Well, no, actually. Well, yes, we had a closure below the hourly gap back outside, but this was already after I took the trade, so I wasn't waiting for an hourly candle closure outside of the 1 hour gap to confirm that we are getting a bearish reaction from there. So I just fucking bought that shit. Yeah, and it's not optimal, guys. Always when you're trading, always look what is an obstacle or what can be the reason that your trade is gonna fail. And this time it was this hourly fair value gap. I wasn't waiting. What I should have been doing is I would wait for price to close, like tap into the hourly fair value gap, close back below, as you can see here. Here we are closing back below. This would be my entry signal, and this would show me, all right, we are reacting from it. Then, only then, I'm dropping to a lower time frame, and I would look for anything. I would look for 15 minutes. Do we have something on 15 minutes? No, 15 minutes looks choppy. We don't have nothing. Right, I'm going to 5 minutes. What do we have on the 5 minute? On the 5 minute, we have, as you can see here, we have not much either, to be honest. What we do have is kind of this fair value gap that I see. Let me show you. This bearish fair value gap, even though it's small, we're getting a reaction from here. So price is pushing down. We create the swing low, swing high, going lower, creating a range, creating a bearish fair value gap, getting a push inside, closure outside of this, taking shorts here, putting stop loss above, tight stop loss, and then targeting, I don't know what. I think if I would target this low right here, it is already Yeah, it's not. It's after the New York session closure. So I think this would be. But yeah, this guys. Anyway, this would be a 1 to 10 risk to reward trade. You don't need to take that. You just can go for a fixed 1 to 3 trade. Look at this. How beautiful it is. Taking this with confirmed, and this is a trade that would be confirmed. Why? First of all, you have the hourly reaction. Second of all, you have the confluence that Asia was bullish, London was bullish. New York is probably going to get a correction. So this is another confluence. Then you have the hourly reaction. You have the hourly closure. So you have all these things aligned, and then you have the only given fair value gap, and this fair value gap is getting reacted from. It's getting respected. Tapping in, tapping inside, closure outside, putting in the trade, as you can see here. Just take this swing low right here. Beautiful 1 to 3. Beautiful 1 to 3 trade. Yeah, guys, just like this. So I missed this trade. I mismanaged my whole trading, to be honest, because I'm just buying into a hourly fair value gap. I don't even know if this shit is gonna get inversed. I don't even know. So this was obviously a mistake that I could avoid. But yeah, this was pretty much it for the day. Today we're trading again, and I'll be executing my model again, and really paying attention to every obstacle, to every aspect, to every criteria that I have to consider when taking a trade. And then I'm gonna be making another trade recap for you guys. Yes, thank you for watching.